My lord, we then arrive at the deceased home, introduce ourselves, and in those interactions, my lord, because I do recall we met the father of the deceased. He was still alive at the time, and the mother, the parents, and the siblings. We communicated the directive we got, my lord, but in that interaction, as we were communicating that, it was then brought to our attention that the family does not understand why it is difficult or taking so long for the matter to be resolved, because there seems to be information that was given by Mr. Tumelo Madlala to the brother-in-law. This is now Mr. Thorpe, that the deceased in this matter was shot by mistake. That's the essence of it. I'm trying to sum up it. And when that was brought to us, for me, it was the crucial information that needed to be followed. So we then asked to be introduced to Mr. Thorpe, which was duly done, and that's how we met him, my lord.
Yeah, just this is very crucial. What did Mr. Madlala, what was his reaction to these allegations?
He denied it, my lord. He said he never said it. But like I said, he referred us to the IO to say, I don't know who you are. I know Mr. Mudise, speak to him. You know, he says he was getting a lot of threats and all manner of things. But it was clear that he was refusing that he ever said that, my lord. Because we had to deal with this allegation that there's a missing statement. When I received the docket during the handing over process, that statement was still in the docket, my lord, and as I said, up to today, it's still in the docket. But not only that statement, all other statements that were made by Mr. Thorpe are still in the docket. In fact, if you look at this matter that is before court, my lord, all affidavit disposed from 2014 to date, there's not even a single affidavit that is missing. There was a similar statement made by Mr. Thorpe right at the beginning to the investigation team. I think the date is around 2015 or so, which didn't yield any results because it was refuted as well by Mr. Tumelo. It's early as 2015, and then I think because of the changing of hands by investigators, whenever the families, this is my assumption, my lord, will go to introduce themselves as a protocol to the family, I think this issue will be raised, and then I think that led, because if you look at his statement, he's basically saying the same thing, but it was dealt with as early as 2015 by the first investigation team with no results, my lord. Fast-tracking to where I got involved, same thing, it was refuted. When I was now officially appointed as the lead investigating officer, I revisited the same issue with Mr. Madlala. He still refuted it, my lord, when I was now the investigating officer. I can also explain, my lord, to indicate that after I was appointed as the lead investigating officer, and AfriForum came on board as the watching brief for the family, this is one of the aspects that we explain to them, that the assertion or the belief that there is a missing statement, it's not correct. The statement has been in the docket, it is still available, and it was followed up without, because it's a hearsay. The only person who could have confirmed it, it's Mr. Madlala, who then refuted that he ever said that.